Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. We'll follow up on that Lionel 8500. As you see, I have installed the stack, and I used epoxy putty to actually epoxy that to the stud that was sticking up. It's far from perfect, but it is installed. It looks like a stack where I had none before. It's straight, it's the right height, centered on the locomotive, so good enough considering there wasn't one on there. I definitely wasn't going to spend $10 to replace that. Anyway, let's turn the power on. I put a consist behind this. As you see, that runs really well. It was definitely worth the 12 bucks. There's no doubt about that. Like I said, it has the same motor as the 8200. And of course now it has a stack. So it's far from perfect, but it saved me the price of the stack. So I just sawed one off of 400 and then used some epoxy putty to actually epoxy it to that stud that was sticking up. From a foot away, you'd never know that was not original. Actually, from 6 inches away, you can't tell it's not original. It came out more than good enough, considering there wasn't a stack on it at all. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video on this. It's really simple to do these repairs. All it takes is a bit of epoxy in most cases. You can repair this plastic really quickly. So I went looking for the original stack. It was $4.95 with $3.95 shipping. So there was no point in spending that much money, since I only spent $12 on the locomotive itself. So it's not perfect, but it is up and running. It has a stack on it, which is more than it did. It's more than acceptable looking, and it cost exactly nothing. I just sawed the stack off an old 400 that was trashed. And I don't know, 10 minutes perhaps to actually install that stack. Like I said, it's far from perfect, but it's up and running. It looks nice, more than acceptable. You would have to look for it to actually find that that was a replacement. As you see, this runs really well. Has the same motor as the 8200, exactly the same motor. I had thought of putting a front coupler on this one, but it has a front truck, so there's no room for it. So I will leave it at as is, but it was definitely worth the 12 bucks. No doubt about that. It runs nice, it looks nice, it's complete now. Not original, but complete. It does have a stack, and the stack looks more than acceptable. Like I said, I don't think anyone would know that that was a replacement unless you actually went looking to see if it was a replacement. So, just a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.